So if you're able to see this, this is exactly why doing my appointments virtually makes sense. I've been driving for about a half an hour in complete whiteout conditions, drifting across the road. Look at that snowdrift. Look at that. It's coming right out on the road. Now I'm coming up to an area which is going to be more open fields. And I don't know what it looks like through the camera, but oh, there's another snowdrift across the road. A little bit bumpy. Wow, look at that. Now, for me, I like driving. But for the regular heating and cooling guy that needs to come and see you, they're taking their life in their hands sometimes. I should do all the window up so we can hear better. There we go. Yeah, completely whited out. Look at that. Oh man, those drifts are deep. Oh, and don't forget, I had to take this road. No, there's cars coming the other way. Because the road I was on was closed. Oh, what's going on up here? Now why are you coming around me? This doesn't make sense. Well, I guess I should get out and help these people. I don't know what they're doing. I think they're probably stuck. And all these guys with pickup trucks. Am I in four-wheel drive? Yep. I don't know what to do. I don't have a rope to tow you.
We're just about there. Just got to get out of this end of the drift and I got her out.
Okay, I bet. I'll just get out of your way. All right. Now, in this truck, I can raise it up also. That's pretty crazy. Everybody's taking the bypass to go around. Ah, and there's the snowmobilers. Oh my God, what fun. Oh wow, these snowdrifts are at least 2 feet deep. And with this truck, I can raise it up an additional 6 inches. Which gives me a huge advantage. Oh, I better watch where I'm going. Well, that guy was in my lane. Did you see that? Wow. Oh man, look at that. Oh, it wasn't as deep as I thought it was. Holy crap. I better be careful. I meet a car coming ahead on. Have a problem. Might leave a mark. Whoa. Right up the side of my truck. That was 4 feet deep on the right side. I don't know what that is in metric. That's a lot of snow. Oh, there we go. Now I can see the drifts. Do you see that? Come around this way. I don't know which way the wind will be blowing. Oh, it's going the other way now.